Hey, the meta title is not directly displayed on your website. It is the blue title that is displayed in the search engine results when a user enters a query. It is used as a ranking factor, so you should make sure it contains your most important keywords and that it's consistent with the content on your page. Your meta title should not be longer than 70 characters and should not be a list of keywords. It has to make sense to the reader. Each meta title should be unique and can use calls to action to entice visitors to click on your website. Log into your WordPress account as usual to get to the dashboard shown here. Click on Products in the left menu. Choose the product for your selected keyword by clicking on Edit. Scroll down to the SEO settings section. Enter your newly optimized title in the field provided. Your new title should contain the selected keyword and not exceed the character limit. If you are managing a locally operating company, then you should also include the city name in the title, once. The title is displayed in the search engine results. It should therefore meaningfully reflect the content of your website and encourage search engine users to access your website. To finish the task, click on Update. Great work! You've now completed this task. If you want to learn more about digital marketing, visit rankingcoach.com to see how we can help your business's online presence.